Some sounds recorded on Earth remain completely unexplained. Number 1. The Taos sound, a mystery scientists have studied for decades. Number 2. UVB Shutioseks, a Soviet-era radio signal that never stops buzzing. Number 3. The hum, a low vibrating sound only some people can hear. Number 4. Sky trumpets, metallic trumpet-like noises heard across several countries. Number 5. The bloop, a massive underwater sound louder than a blue whale. Until today, no one truly knows where these sounds come from.